Damn, I ruined my lift. Saving thousands of dollars for your lift is easier than you think. So make sure you're following these recommendations so your lift can have a long lifespan. Make sure that you're always cleaning the dust and greasing the lift. Whether it's chains, cables, or pistons, make sure you're keeping dust away from it and greasing it at all times. Dust is the #1 enemy of pistons and seals. Make sure that you're always checking the oil pressure for your lift. Every lift needs oil to work with. Remember, these are hydraulic lifts, so make sure that you're following the manufacturer instructions so your lift can work properly. When it comes to these two-post lifts, make sure that you're centering the car in the middle of the lift and not put too much weight on one of the arms. Make sure that you're centering the car so the weight distributes evenly among the arms of the lift. Otherwise, you're ruining the chance of damaging the lift quicker. Do not let your lift get under these conditions. As you can see, this lift has been used and abused. But there's certain ways that you can keep your lift running for a long period of time. So if your lift looks like this, no worries. We're here to save you. At JMC, we have brand names like BendPak, Challenger, Tuxedo, Angle, you name it, we got it. All at different price range to meet your budget. And we can also deliver and install the lift for you.